How do you group layers in Photoshop? Grouping layers is like creating little folders down here that you can put layers into and move them around and affect them all at the same time. So I have individual layers here, one of a type layer and one of an image. If I hold Shift, click on that, it's going to select both of them. I can also hold Command or Control to select specific individual layers. Shift will allow you to select a bunch in a row. Next, all I have to do is come down to the bottom of the layers panel and click this little folder icon. It's going to create a new group and it's actually going to put what we had selected into that group. So this is group 1. We can rename it. I'm just going to call it photo. And we can actually drop down this arrow to see what's inside of this group. Groups are a really easy, quick and easy way to keep your Photoshop layers organized, but also be able to work with layers as a group. So instead of having these individually, and if I wanted to expand this up and down, I can actually click and select the group, which is a layer in and of itself, press Command or Control T. Now I can transform this group as a whole, instead of working on just these layers individually. I can also add effects to a group. So if I double click on this, I could add a drop shadow to the entire group, instead of just one of the elements individually. Now, the cool thing about this and the difference here is adding that drop shadow applies to the group, so the edge of the entire group, and it doesn't apply to the individual objects, which gives you even more control here. Had I applied the drop shadow to each of these layers individually, it's not the same look because the drop shadow of the salad would actually cross over on top of the other picture. If I want that, I could still add drop shadows down here, but grouping things together allows you to work with them as a group and not individual elements. Now the shortcut key to group objects together is Command or Control G. And you can ungroup things by right clicking and going to ungroup layers. You can also drag items inside and outside of groups. So I could drag this salad outside of this. Now it just includes the photo. I could create new folders that don't include any assets and drag items into those groups. I can even drag groups into groups. So you can keep going with your different groups here and have groups inside of groups, but that's how to group layers here in Adobe Photoshop.